Hello guys, this is Astropark and welcome to another episode of my weekly market review sponsored by pionex. I strongly suggest you to trade on pionex. It's very smooth. Never had any issues and the rewards are growing. Now we're talking about even 10k. Okay, so quite a good amount of rewards. So I strongly suggest you to Signup here. A lot of interesting stuff are going to happen here also on my site. But let's go back to the chart. Okay, we are on the Bitcoin chart weekly, and as you can see, the trend is very strong. Okay, we are having very big weekly candles. This is the last one is just today candle, Monday candle. So we can expect still a lot. Okay, you had this bull flag, and price rested quite a lot here at 50 RSI level. So we have done this move. Now we can see kind of the same on the 4-hour. Okay, and because you can see price is between this kind of triangle. Okay, till price is inside this triangle, we are all let's say easy mode. Okay, but once this will break upwards or downwards, we currently can't say. Okay, you can expect again a big move. Okay, I was telling also in my public channel, for example, this is one of my latest indicators. As you can see, price love to dance at the bands. Okay, try the bands and so on. Okay, and as you can see here, especially okay on 1 hour, you can see how the bands, whenever they are tight, okay, a big move is coming. Okay, we had this for example here, we had this here. Okay, and bands here again are tight. Okay, so watch out for a big move that could come quite soon. Okay, also because if we at some point we watch what we have for example on daily channel, we may see that there is some kind of bearish divergence here. Okay, price up, volume down, and RSI down. Okay, so watch out, of course, and be ready. Okay, for anything that may happen. Okay, now sorry, let's go back to the other charts. We always talk about this this Ethereum with Bitcoin chart. Price is reaching the demand zone. Okay, it's still inside the triangle. Now we may also say that the bullish divergence is getting bigger. Okay, because we have something similar here. Okay, so it's a matter of time that this will bounce. Okay, you can only get ready. Okay, this is what you can do right now. Ethereum is dancing between this 333 level and 0666 recently. Okay, it's still it's in a main upper trend. Okay, in a main upper trend, but if this stops growing here, okay, this can get some kind of worry. Of course, just my perspective, this demand could be retested, of course, and this keeps being bullish. Okay, of course the best path to follow is breaking out here, so going above 4k, maybe retesting here at 3700 and then moving upwards for our new all-time high. Okay, this is what everyone expects. Okay, but when alt season will come? So I already told you here a long time ago, probably we need to still tag this Fibonacci 0.7 Fibonacci level. Price is not doing it, of course. There is no bearish divergence that works here, okay, that can help you. Of course, this candle, this volume is very large, so if this fails to go upwards, considering all this volume, probably this is like a top signal, okay, for the Bitcoin dominance. So we can expect alt season. On the other side, I was telling you, okay, Ethereum dominance is going to retest demand. Here we are. So this can be kind of capitulation, for example, okay. And USDT instead is here, okay. So again, this is not a very good chart to watch, okay, you know, because if this is a capitulation volume, you see it happened before, and the price is still at the diagonal support. This leads to the idea that probably a bearish divergence on daily candle can matters here, okay. So guys, watch out. Watching the total, total is breaking out, made a new all-time high, okay. So from this perspective, you know, when there is a new all-time high, there is always an extension, you see, but probably is also a time where you want to take some profit, because probably this is gonna give us a retest, okay, before the real move happens, okay. Total 2, basically this is Ethereum chart. Total 3, even better, but yeah, this we had like a double retest of this high, and we are not closing above. So a weekly candle closing above would be even bullish, so price really can teleport here. But if we stay like this screams like a small retracement is going to happen. So at least maybe just measuring, sorry, wrong, just measuring these candles, a retracement in here, okay. So a retracement at this level, okay, looks kinda obvious, okay. So a Fibonacci 618 retracement and then moving up, okay. So main altcoins now, DOGE, epic run. This kinda sounds like huge taking profits, okay. Just imagine you had some candles like this, you can have so this can get wild, because just watch from here to here is a 60+ % retracement, okay, from the top. But then the price can still make a lot of percentage up, okay, 3x, okay. So what's the problem here? If you just go long 100x, the liquidation is obvious, okay. So because retracement, even a 40% retracement, 50% retracement would be like a retest here, okay, a retest of the previous high, which will work for sure as support if this is going to go even higher for maybe $1, the epic $1. Okay, this can really happen, but just don't get liquidated because we are going to make the retest. You have to be liquid when a retest happens. Okay. BNB, again, nothing is happening, range bound. If this continues doing like this, this is probably not going to have any new all-time high, really, because it's getting tiring. Okay, because we have this off top kinda retracement, and why don't go down? Of course, we are in a bull market, so it's very difficult to expect something like this unless something really bad to Binance happens. But yes, this does not look like a bull run chart. Solana is gave the retest at the beginning of the previous week. Okay, give basically the retest, and now is moving upwards. So this Monday candle is not very nice. I was telling you that it was going to go for a new all-time high. We are near. If we go on a lower time frame, okay, sorry, if we go on a lower time frame, you can see now there is a 50 retracement. We are here, and price is creating a hidden bullish divergence. Then I would say that this HEMA cloud is giving support, okay, to the price. We had the tightening of the bands, and price broke out the upwards, so that's a reason to be bullish on Solana, especially if we see Solana with Ethereum dumped. Now it's at support, okay, with the hidden bullish divergence. Okay, so probably Solana now is going to go to outperform ETH. Okay, so after this bearish divergence, okay, now we are having the hidden bullish divergence, which usually means continuation. Okay, trend continuation. Okay. Okay, so let's go to a few charts. I prepared here a long list of meme coins. Okay, I guess this is what you guys want. This is where maybe today the money are. Okay, so let's try to give an idea. Okay, so SHIB broke out. If a retest happens, of course we will be very happy to have it. So let's make an alert here just to be sure. PEPE got listed on Robinhood, and massive pump happened. So now it's how can I say, this is a chart difficult now to trade, in my opinion, especially if you see this, because it's easy to be scared. Okay, what will most probably happen is kind of a kind of how to say, sorry, price will just will chop here. Okay, price needs to chop here because bulls have to recharge themselves, so maybe printing also a bull flag. Okay, you know, it's very important for bulls to get active again. This is currently not really looking as a bull flag, more like a triangle. Okay, So on lower time frame, you have currently there is a reset. So if this demand is going to resist at the bears, this can easily move upwards from here. Okay, this is what I expect for PEPE. With it's basically the same. This is just a demand for our demand. Price still didn't even manage to touch it. But price retraced it quite a lot on this move. We tested basically the 50% retracement, and from here it can easily go. Maybe I'll test here, okay? But this is not really necessary. But this can easily go for $6, for example, okay? Because the major breakout happened. This was the diagonal resistance to retest. We had the retest of diagonal resistance, the retest of this range, okay? And now it's time to fly. So it's easy to expect $5, $6, $7, $8, okay? BONK, yeah, the diagonal support usually is a meme, but you can see how is real. Okay, price broke, retested the diagonal, and is moving without giving anyone any chance to join the party, basically, right? And still didn't get the 50% retest. There is a retest unless here. Yeah, this is a very important bullish trend. FLOKI the same. If you want to catch this, for example, you may use this indicator. Basically, this is why I developed this indicator. When the price reaches the DMA cloud, you can easily buy, and you know where to take profit. Whenever price reaches this upward band, it's time to take profit. It's so easy, right? And now we are at support. We are support with the kind of hidden bullish divergence. Not very clear, to say the least. And of course, if you go on lower time frames, you can experience even some kind of bear market, okay? But this is just because price tends to go from the lower bands to the higher bands, okay? Lower, higher, etc., etc. Okay. Now, POPCAT. Where is the chart? POPCAT. What can we say about POPCAT? So yeah, this was like the RSI deviation below 50% to buy, which is the retest of the EMA cloud. Interesting. And here again, this is just a perfect scalping market, in my opinion. Okay. Most of the analysis also must be done on a different point of view. For example, if you go to CoinGecko and we go to categories and we go to meme coins, okay. The other point of analysis you can easily do is by watching, for example, the volume and watching the market cap, okay. So DOGE is 55 billion, SHIB 14, PEPE 8, and so on. Okay, so breadth is just 1 billion and a half. Okay, but just imagine the peanut the squirrel. Okay, this is even doing more volume than his market cap. So trust me, this is something that market is interested into, right? So let's go to the chart. Okay, of course everyone is sad, okay, because nobody, I mean close to nobody, someone did, but close to nobody joined this 20x. Okay, but market is still interested. So long, of course, distribution. Okay, this demand is still working. This is the first demand, first support that was built, and this is working. Of course, having a retest of this level would be a buy opportunity. Of course, you see the chance to buy within the green would be a good buy opportunity. Okay, just imagine if we have like you have here, just screaming sell, okay, take profit. You can have here below the lower bands your buy opportunity. Okay, of course this can just start running from here, and you can do nothing about it. Okay, of course everything here I said is just my perspective, analysis, is not a financial advice. That's kind of obvious. Okay, of course there are also a lot of interesting coins. You see BOME trading quite a lot. Okay, so we can also do something like this. Okay, ACT is trading quite a lot. BAN, never heard, but looks new, something new, and still below 1 billion. Okay, DOGE, not RIF. Okay, these are all, from this point of view, from this perspective, these are all good coins. Okay, for example. Okay, I guess I give you an idea how this can work from this point of view. Okay, and we could continue watching a lot of charts. Okay, so for example, from the daily point of view, the trend started being bullish. We are at the bands. Price is resisting. Okay, because people are taking profits basically, but as you can see, this is basically a resistance support flip. So from here, honestly, I expect price to move higher, because let's use normal lines, right? Okay, this is when the bear trend got broken. We got the retest and price is moving. Okay, so from this point of view, price is just going to move upwards. Maybe again you can have a retest of this level. Okay, on the weekly. Okay, but who knows? Cat is giving a buying opportunity, my opinion here. Okay, as you saw here, for example, price is basically chopping. Here was built like a bull flag, sorry, and a bull flag. Okay, so the move, okay, and here I would have drawn something like this. Okay, probably people would have drawn something like this. Okay, as triangle, breakout, retest, and move upwards. This is what I expect. Okay, and you know, you have hidden bullish divergence here, because yes, price making still higher lows and lower low on the RSI. Even, I mean, you see this hidden bullish divergence here also. Okay, and so on. Yes, I think that the biggest volume is currently on meme coins, and of course they are retracing after all the big moves they happened. So still relevant all the suggestions I did in the past. So let's watch again. Uni is going good. Phil looks like is waking up. Absolutely yes. Comp is moving. Started moving, following a half. Ton is bouncing. Near is moving. Link moving. Say again moving. And Tia probably needs some more time, as I told you. Probably more chop incoming. And the inch doing good. Okay. So again, guys, thank you so much for staying with me till now, and feel free always to ask me for any chart you may interested in having analyze it. Happy to help you and give you my perspective. Enjoy your trading. Of course, don't get liquidated, guys, but plan your trades, execute your strategy, and that's my take for today. Cheers.